Today we are testing and reviewing the LUMINA 3D holographic fan. All right guys, I believe this is the future of digital displays. I saw this, I reached out to them, I said, hey, I wanna give a review, I wanna test this on my page. They sent me one over, and they also are hooking you up with 10% off if you want it, link below. This thing's awesome, super unique, cool. Here's like just a really short little preview, but I don't wanna give away too much. They sent me 3 things with this. The fan itself, a stand for the fan, which I'll get to here in a second, and then actually an acrylic case for it as well. First things first, the fan itself. It comes with the power adapter that I already set up, the holographic fan, SD card reader. This is where you can put your own designs onto, a remote, a mounting bracket, and then hardware for that mounting bracket. And then obviously, of course, user manual. Okay, a few things I want to tell you about this fan. Via my very short little tease, you can tell more or less what this does. I mean, their website puts it best. Create your own impressive and visually mesmerizing 3D holographic illusion that appears to float in midair, captivating any audience and stopping them in their tracks. I concur. That's exactly what it did to me when I turned it on, which again, I'll get to here in a second. It has 3D or 2D effects, videos or pictures, works with iOS and Android. You can even hook up Bluetooth audio, and there's a 12-month warranty. So those are just some specs. Introducing the LUMINA app. It offers on and off functions. This is where you can upload your videos and photos, manage and delete files, control the brightness and angle, and obviously where you do all of the controlling of the device. And yes, the app is free. As you saw, very compact, fits all in that box. The stand, if you wanted to use that, is a little bit bigger, but really takes about 5 minutes to set up, super lightweight, all of that. The main purpose and point that people use these for are a lot of times at trade shows, displaying their logo, messages, products, that type of thing. So as I mentioned, this is your fan and this is a mounting bracket. If you wanted to set up your own stand or put this on a wall, very simple mounting with those holes, and then this slides in like so, and you have your fan. And this is where it's great to use a display like this, obviously protecting the blade so people don't stick their fingers in it or it messes up the flow or anything like that. However, what I want to show you is putting it on the stand that I was supplied with. This stand's really nice, very stable, came with all the parts and pieces to put together. And then similarly, this is your mount here, and you're just going to slide your fan onto the mount, and there's a place for a screw so this doesn't come flying off. Okay, I'm now gonna show you, it's really nice, they set up like a demo right when you turn it on, but first I'm gonna turn the lights off. All right, I'm gonna plug this in and step away, and then you can watch the magic. So pretty freaking cool. There's my short test. And my review is that this thing is actually really simple to use, to set up, to run. And truthfully, this is video 1 of 2. This was just a main introductory video to the LUMINA fan and a little bit about it. My next video is gonna be diving a little bit more into the app, integrating your own videos and pictures, exploring a little bit more about the remote and how this can be helpful, and then diving into different ways to mount this as well. If that sounds good, if you're interested in that, please go ahead and like, subscribe, shoot me a comment of what you want to see me test as far as images and videos on this thing. Again, if you want to pick one of these up, they hooked me up with a little 10% discount. You can find that link below. Until next time, see you later.